Two paths lie ahead for artificial intelligence. Some believe it will solve climate change, cure diseases, and revolutionize every industry. Others believe it could wipe us out entirely. These aren't just wild guesses. This is a split forming inside the AI world itself. On one side, experts warning of a superintelligent takeover within our lifetime. On the other, those who say we're overreacting to tech. That's still flawed and far from godlike. So what are these two futures of AI? And more importantly, which one are we really headed toward? Let's start with the darker path. Daniel Kokotajlo was a researcher at OpenAI. Yes, the same company behind ChatGPT. In 2023, he walked away from his role with a sense of urgency, saying he no longer believed we could control what's coming. He sketched a prediction called AI 2027. In it, powerful AI systems rapidly learn how to code better versions of themselves. They improve and improve until they escape our understanding and control altogether. He warns of a point called the intelligence explosion, a moment when AI evolves beyond human intelligence exponentially. At that point, it doesn't matter if the AI is evil. It just needs different goals. Maybe it wants to optimize a task, control resources, or maximize some data point. And in doing so, it wipes out anything, including us, that gets in its way. Sound dramatic? It is. But Kokotajlo isn't alone. Other leading minds, including figures at DeepMind, Anthropic, and even former Google executives, have voiced similar fears. Some believe there's a 10 to 20% chance we don't survive the transition into an AI-powered world. But now let's look at the other side of the debate. Sayash Kapoor and Arvind Narayanan, researchers at Princeton, say these fears, while sincere, are exaggerated. In their work titled AI as Normal Technology, they argue that AI isn't some alien force about to take over. It's a tool. And like every major technology, nuclear power, the internet, or electricity, it evolves under human systems. Think about it. Nuclear energy didn't destroy the world because governments and institutions regulated it. AI, they argue, will be no different. Yes, it will be powerful. It already is. But it's shaped by economics, politics, laws, and hardware. No AI model exists in a vacuum. It needs data centers, energy, and distribution. And it's still unreliable in many ways. Hallucinations, bias, fragility. In their view, the real dangers of AI are already here. Deepfakes, misinformation, job automation without support systems, privacy erosion. But these aren't sci-fi, they're societal problems we can solve with the right attention and policy. So who's right? Is AI a ticking time bomb or just another powerful tool? What's clear is this. This isn't just a disagreement about technology. It's a disagreement about how fast things will happen and how well we can respond. The alarmists worry that we won't get a second chance, that AI might outpace our ability to course correct. The realists think we have more time and more control than we realize. It's a bit like climate change. Some push for immediate global action before tipping points. Others believe in incremental, adaptive solutions. In both cases, waiting too long or overreacting too soon could come with huge consequences. So what do we do with all this? Whether you side with Kokotajlo or the Princeton team, one thing is clear. We can't afford to be passive. AI is not just a tool for coders and corporations anymore. It's shaping education, politics, war, business, and daily life. And the systems we build now, rules, ethics, accountability, will determine how this story ends. Maybe AI becomes the greatest force for good in human history. Maybe it becomes something much worse. But either way, the outcome won't be decided by AI. It will be decided by us. If this made you think, even just a little, do one thing right now. Like the video, subscribe, because staying informed is the first step towards staying in control. AI is writing the future, but we still hold the pen.